Okay, I'd say we've reached the point of crunchability here. It's just getting to the point where if I leave it in here any longer, it's going to start burning. If you want to add any more seasonings, now's the time to do it, but I think it's perfect. I mean, those would be perfect as is, but we're going to kick it up a notch, like Emerald says, with taco style cheese. So we're going to throw some of that on there. Then we're going to have cheesy crunchability. I'm putting the lid on. And let that melt down, and I'm shutting the heat off because it's already done. Just got to melt the cheese on and deliver the excellence. And this is brought to you by the good people at 8 o'clock coffee, the dark Italian espresso beans. And don't overload your coffee maker or your coffee grinder, because sometimes you get these beans that don't get ground up, the dirty escape artist. So that'll go in my conveniently located trash can, half a foot step away here. Bombs away. And I started this at, the bacon was started at 20 after 7. And then a few minutes later, after the bacon rendered down, I put the onion in. Then a few minutes later, the potatoes. And I had the lid off after the whatchamacallit, after everything, the onions started softening up, and put the potatoes in after they heated up on both sides. Then you let the steam out. I mean, crispy crunchability, you can't rush it. It's like good sex. You don't want to rush. So you want that crunchability is what we're after here, people. And I'm going to shovel this masterpiece out on the plate here. Get every last crunchability out of there. And like that sexy food goddess Julia Child would say, bon appetit.